Hi guys, it's Atalanta at the Green Door Cottage by the Sea. I just wanted to show you how to pull this sofa bed in and out. It's a little quirky, so you just have to be really gentle with it. Once you take all the cushions off, you'll see it's generally right here, very specific directions, but this little video should help you as well. So generally the directions will go right here. We're going to take off all of the pillows, and then you can, getting it out is pretty easy. Just go ahead and pull up on the bed, and it will flip out. Flip this part out, and this really comfortable cushion pops down like this. If you'd like to watch TV and have a little incline, you can pull this up. So you have a little incline, you put your pillows there, and of course you can find all the linens back in the closet in the bedroom. So to close this up, this is when it gets a little quirky and you just have to kind of be patient. You have to come back up to the top of the bed and lift up the TV incline. Then you can come back down to the bottom of the bed and pull the bottom edge. This is what will allow it to fold correctly. And this leg will kind of naturally go down. Then you come up to the TV incline again, and you have to let it down. You pull up, then down. You have to be pretty firm with it, so just pull up pretty high, as high as you can go, and then lay it down. And then you should be able to pick the bed, and it'll all fold right in. Replace the cushions, and you're all good. You can take all the linens off before you put that bed back, and then when you check out, just leave them near the closet. You can just drop them on the floor. Thank you so much. Hope this helps. Call me if you need anything.